Next question is by Vaza. He's asking, which is the best clean architecture template for .NET Core applications? First of all, for those who don't know what is clean architecture is basically a software design philosophy started by Robert C. Martin, aka Uncle Bob, in year 2012. He has written a detailed book on this topic called same Clean Architecture. So, one line definition of clean architecture is that clean architecture is a software design philosophy where the elements of software applications are divided into loosely coupled levels. These levels are based on the various elements of that software application. It basically divided into entity, cross-cutting concerns and all the other things which are basically related to that particular software requirement. Clean architecture is independent of software development framework or language. That's the reason many people have created their own initial solution, which, as Vaza is saying, that template. So many people have created their own solution templates for implementing clean architecture in their application. Now coming to your question, Vaza, there are many clean architecture implementation in .NET Core also, but there are two popular ones which are very popular in community as well as industry. The first one is given by Jason Taylor and it uses Angular for Web UI, ASP.NET Core 6 for API and backend with EF Core 6 for data access. Apart from that, it also uses many other sub frameworks, or you can say open source framework for doing different things. For example, it uses auto mappers for mapping the entities at different layers. It uses Fluent validation for doing the validation. It uses NUnit and Fluent assertions, mock and respam for unit testing. It uses Docker for containerized deployment. I will put the link of his GitHub repository, which contains all the documentation related to getting started with his clean architecture solution template, and you can follow along that documentation if you want to create a clean architecture application using Angular as a web UI and ASP.NET as a backend. The second most popular clean architecture solution template is given by Steve Smith, aka Ardalis, who is a very popular architect in .NET community. His clean architecture templates uses .NET technologies throughout the application. So from end to end, that is from backend, front end, everywhere he uses .NET technology. Like for UI, he is using ASP.NET MVC. For backend and web API, he is using ASP.NET Core with EF Core 6. For unit testing, he is using XUnit and mock, and some other DLLs which he has created all by himself. So he is using his own NuGet packages in his template. But all those NuGet packages are again written in .NET technologies only. I will put the link to his GitHub repository also in the video description, and from there you can get started with using his template if you want to use .NET sub frameworks throughout the clean architecture application which you are developing. In my opinion, both of these templates are best templates of implementing clean architecture in .NET Core as well as .NET 6, as they have updated these templates to the latest .NET 6 framework. So if you want to use Angular as your web UI, you can go with Jason Taylor template, and if you want to use .NET technologies throughout the application, then you can go with Steve Smith or Ardalis solution template. I hope you like my answers, and if you like my answers, then as usual, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends, family and colleagues. So until my next video, take care, bye bye.